chete abantu bakalikoreri bakalikani bakalendo siasa mali tuwatigara kurutuo tu makabone in 2024 so roughly around the 20 something years ana opportunity yari gikotokera ikakati ya Matiang'i mugaka Matiang'i agakweseriaga kweserigia Matiang'i is a national figure. That guy is a gentleman. Mundu teyo kakabone iga mundu teyo rata ebe naki Matiang'i immersed. Even if he immersed, imonya bandana la kumesi ni wani wote. But he did something that is tangible to everyone or Kenya. Kadi usi or Kenya. They think in history, mungwano kibasako kwa tiago kwa. In history, kati in history. Mundu kiore muke akore gasibine mungwano yumu mururi kibasako kwa. Wajana na Kenya anajitolea amewachana kazi zake. He has a family he has to take care of because he wanted at least mambi na mambiende abana bae na abana bande na abana na bonde na barabu banyori na barabu environment baje ko ya nirengi. That's why he's doing so. But ya manto mbale ga abate ba nyo kutura ni mae na bone ga platform ga ba uzimbale ga bare platform. They are very few. But these are the platforms no bale they are contributing particularly ntwara ngati ba se mo usi dibai. Jabane ndo na ba bane. Oja jabane ntwa da kire tutwale tendi tutwa kwa na mangana tuacha tuabe kanamo na bono Nairobi ke konye Nairobi ke to kwa mo na to kwa na campaign ndo bwa bando kujigusimba se bale mbarororo abo to kwa tena ki ndo bwa tawire neki bali ba ko to sinya bara ba ko nya ba ko kuchianda kidogo pato funguye te metanda no ba ko kwa magweta no bali yani bakai Rwanda lakini mbobe sana omo usipiga tuchitamo to bujunte tu anyole bono to kereze nande ikendege kya mora is a national figure. That money is much far away to tebone usuko ye kabone to mudire kidogo tu ake kampeni 1 2 3 tu bagenjere kidogo in fact tutakuwa somewhere at least unaelewa kwa.
Okay bia mono erusi se Mike tigatorete umukwani unde linda